Hi everyone, welcome to Mom Life. These are my favorite types of videos to watch. I thought it would be fun to show you guys what I bought today. This is basically a healthy haul. These are the items that I purchased at the store and also Amazon. My husband actually purchased these vitamins for me and they arrived today. And then he also grabbed me a new container of my Orgain protein mix because I have like 1 scoop left in my current container. I've been using this on and off for the last few years, but recently I've been trying to have at least a glass of that a day. This was on Amazon for $39.98, and then the Orgain was $20.99, I believe, on Amazon. Everything else I bought at Wegmans. So I grabbed some carrots. These were $4.59. And where's the asparagus? Also, the asparagus here, I believe it was 2 pounds, just under 2 pounds, for $5.71. I've really been enjoying asparagus lately. We actually went to our Target and they had a malfunction in their refrigeration section. So all of their refrigerators and freezers had to be emptied. They had to throw everything away. So we ended up leaving Target and going to Wegmans in search of kale. And so I grabbed this kale for $4.59. We also grabbed this super greens, kale, spinach, and chard. And I believe that was $4.59 as well. My husband grabbed us some leeks. Now I'm just being honest with you. I don't think I've ever eaten leeks in my entire life. I've heard of some women putting these in their chicken noodle soup. So I'm going to chop some of it up and try that. And I guess I'm going to use the rest of it for like stir fries, but let me know what you use leeks for because I could really use some recipe ideas. We have a few avocados there, and then I also have mustard greens. Again, if you have any recipes for mustard greens, please share them below. I would love to hear how you like to prepare your mustard greens and your leeks because again, I have not had either that I know of in my entire life. So there was my little healthy haul for this evening. I'm trying to be healthier. I need to be healthier. And so I kind of just wanted to stock up on some greens for the next week or so. I'm really planning on using this kale to make lots of like green smoothies. So hopefully my husband and kids like them as well and we can all drink those together. 72 vitamins in that bottle, so that's a really good deal for those vitamins, and this protein mix will last me for at least a few weeks. So I think we did pretty good. Anyway, again, if you have any recipe ideas, I would love to hear those down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.